Number 1. Excavator KU-800 from Unikovska Strojirny is an absolute behemoth. Standing at 52 meters tall and stretching over 170 meters long, weighing around 4,400 tons, which is equivalent to 131 Boeing 737s, this excavator is one of the largest self-propelled machines ever made. Its 12.6 meter diameter wheels are equipped with 15 buckets, each holding 1,000 liters. Simply incredible. The engineering behind this machine is astonishing. Imagine the power and precision needed to handle such a giant. It's designed to tackle the toughest excavation tasks with ease. Number 2. Hitachi EEX 8006. The Hitachi EX 8006 redefines heavy machinery with a weight of 837 tons. Standing tall at 10 meters and stretching 8 meters wide, it's essentially a mobile 3-story building. The EX 8006's massive 43 cubic meter bucket can scoop up earth, equivalent to 6 11-ton trucks in a single go. Its twin Cummins QSKT 60C engines, each pumping out 1,940 horsepower, ensure it moves mountains with ease. This is the future of excavation technology. Number 3. Bucket Chain Excavator, RK5000. The RK5000 bucket chain excavator is a true giant in the world of heavy machinery. Built in 1983 in Československa, this beast weighs over 5,600 tons and requires 6 operators to function. Its sheer size and power are mind-blowing, with the ability to shift 4,450 cubic meters of overburden per hour. Unlike other excavators that use caterpillar tracks, the RK5000 walks on feet, adding to its unique appeal. Watching it in action is like seeing a piece of history come alive. Number 4. Liebherr T282. The Liebherr T282 is a luxury off-highway haul truck with a rigid frame, 2 axles, a diesel-electric engine, and an AC drive system. It is designed and manufactured in the United States by Liebherr Mining Equipment Company. The truck has a payload capacity of up to 330 metric tons, 360 short tons, and is specifically built for high-productivity mining applications worldwide. Number 5. Tribine T1000. The Tribine T1000 represents the pinnacle of harvesting technology. With a capacity of 1,000 bushels and an unloading rate of over 500 bushels per minute, this machine significantly reduces the need for grain carts, saving you time and labor costs. Its ability to operate for 24 hours straight without refueling is a game changer, allowing you to make the most of every harvest season. This is a must-have for large-scale farming operations looking to maximize productivity. Number 6. Komatsu 960E. Before being replaced by the 980E4, the 960E1 was Komatsu's largest and highest capacity cargo truck. This behemoth of a haul truck is equipped with a cutting-edge dual AC electric drive system powered by the Komatsu Cummins SSDA 18-Vol 175-18 engine, delivering a staggering 3,500 horsepower. Its ability to transport up to 360 short tons ensures farmers save time, effort, and costs while maintaining high product quality and boosting overall productivity. Number 7. CAT 798AC. The CAT 798AC electric drive truck hauls up to 410 tons with superior efficiency, controllability, and reliability. It's built to enhance productivity with a high payload capacity of up to 372 tons per load, high-speed capability on grades, and easier maintenance. Operators benefit from greater visibility thanks to the wide field of view from the cab and the radial retard grid that improves the right-hand view. Number 24. Versatile 555, a 1984 powerhouse. This tractor's 210 HP Cummins engine and 4x4 drive are perfect for heavy-duty work. The 9.1L 8-cylinder diesel engine packs a punch, measuring 253 inches in length and a 10-foot wheelbase. It's a formidable machine on the farm. Which machine impressed you the most? Drop a comment below to let us know. Number 26, DS300, Socadima, the Socadima. DS300 Trencher is a game changer for construction and underground installation projects. This specialized machine is designed for trenching, making it perfect for laying cables, pipes, and other underground systems. Its powerful diesel engine, with 50 to 100 horsepower, ensures high performance even in the toughest conditions. Number 27, Workgen W2000. The Workgen W2000 is a versatile, compact milling machine perfect for a wide range of tasks. Weighing in at 27,700 kilos and powered by a Cat C15 engine with 433 kilowatts, 583 HP, at 2100 RPM, it boasts a 2200mm drum width and can cut up to 320mm deep. The Level Pro active leveling system and mill assist control make this machine incredibly precise and easy to use, ideal for both surface layer and complete pavement removal. Number 28, MTM 600. The MTM 600 not only offers a 15-ton gripping, lifting, and tilting capacity, but also maintains low noise levels under 80 dBA, high-speed, maneuverable, and low noise. It's everything you need for efficient ring rolling and transport. The load sensing system is a fantastic addition too. Number 29, Boeing 747. The Boeing 747, nicknamed Jumbo Jet, or Queens of the Skies, is one of the most recognizable aircraft worldwide. It pioneered the wide-body, twin-aisle design and was the first commercial jetliner to feature 2 decks. Produced by Boeing's Commercial Airplanes division in the United States, the initial version of the Boeing 747 was 2.5 times larger than the Boeing 707, a prominent large commercial aircraft of the 1960s. Number 30, Pavelli STV Jazz. The Pavelli STV Jazz trailer stands out with its unique sliding and tilting rear axle design. This innovative feature allows the operator to prepare for stacking operations in less than a minute. And with that, we've reached the end of today's journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned for our latest videos every day. Wishing you moments of relaxation and enlightenment. Until next time, take care. The Case Wide H 9250, starting at around $80,000 USD, is the world's largest combine harvester, designed for large-scale harvesting operations. With its powerful 16L FPT engine, 14 500-liter grain tank, and comfortable cab, the 9250 can handle even the toughest harvesting jobs. It can harvest up to 350 acres per hour. If you found these videos interesting, please subscribe to our channel for more unique and fascinating machines. A farmer, armed with a trusty sprayer, walks amidst their rows of crops. An electric water sprayer is a fantastic way to keep your garden cool during the scorching summer months. This versatile machine can both till the soil, mow the grass, and dig trenches. Optimize your crop yields with artificial subsurface drainage. This innovative system uses a wheel trencher to create underground channels that effectively drain excess water from the root zone. Stone pickers are essential agricultural tools, clearing fields for cultivation by collecting stones up to 30 centimeters deep. This innovative tool is designed to make mulching easier, faster, and more efficient than ever before. With its fully adjustable design, it can handle a wide range of bed widths and sizes, making it ideal for both home gardens and professional landscaping projects. Here's how farmers set up trellises for their vegetable gardens. With this conveyor, harvesting vegetables becomes easier and more time-saving. Witness the seamless efficiency of potato planting with the New Holland T7. 270 blue power. Paired with the Stecca T front cultivator and Grimm rotary tiller, this setup not only preps the soil, but also plants potatoes using the GB 430 belt planter, all in one go. With the added bonus of liquid fertilizer application and ridging, it's a complete solution for optimal potato cultivation. The Aaronic is a top-tier machine designed for efficiently harvesting aronia berries. Featuring a powerful shaker head, it handles chokeberries higher yield with ease, achieving speeds between 0.08 and 0.2 HA per H, ideal for boosting productivity.
Imagine a tree as a giant Jenga tower, each branch and knot a potential point of collapse. You're the player, carefully removing pieces, trying to control the fall. But remember, even the most skilled Jenga player can't predict every outcome. That's why having an escape route is crucial. Even when you think you're doing everything right, the tree can fool you. If these coastal pines could scream, they'd be shrieking when the C-144 harvester rolls into town. It's like a facehugger on steroids, only instead of laying eggs, it's harvesting timber at a ridiculous 75 cubic meters per hour. Forget chainsaws and axes. This thing makes logging look like a leisurely stroll through the woods. Time to retire those old tools and let the C-144 do the heavy lifting.
Have you ever imagined that harvesting broccoli could be this fast and easy? The implement attached behind the tractor is capable of tilling or weeding, enhancing farming practices and crop management. This time, our powerful ally is this radish harvester. The FAE Stone Crusher is renowned for its high performance, durability, and ability to adapt to various types of materials. Waking the flowers up on time is also essential. This compact excavator is perfect for nurseries, digging, and replanting. It's a small, versatile skid loader designed for all terrains, ensuring high maneuverability within the workspace. With root ball diameters of 0, 6.1M, and tree trunks of 620 SARM, it's fully imported and ready to handle various tasks efficiently. The Ventrac 4500, equipped with a KX 523 snowblower, has launched pumpkin chunks soaring over 40 feet high. The Plugger MKC4TR is an outstanding harvester engineered specifically for vegetable harvesting. It can harvest approximately 1.3 hectares per hour. Equipped with a powerful Scania DC09 engine, boasting nearly 400 horsepower. With a cutting unit width of 6.50 meters, this machine significantly reduces labor and time for farmers.
The Ponce Elk KK90 exemplifies the synergy achievable when cutting-edge technology meets skilled operation. Its power and agility, coupled with the operator's expertise, transform timber handling into a seamless process. The rapid loading of 19 logs into the trailer underscores the machine's efficiency and the operator's proficiency. This is a testament to maximizing productivity while minimizing time expenditure. Ever seen a chainsaw on steroids? That's the Deming logging show in a nutshell. It's where lumberjacks turn into rock stars and chainsaws become their screaming guitars. Watching those guys wrestle a V8-powered saw through a giant log is like witnessing a man tame a wild beast. It's raw power and precision, and it'll leave you buzzing for days. Sunlight paints the Sierra Nevada in gold as a logger's saw whispers through a majestic Jeffrey pine. It's a bittersweet symphony, a farewell to a forest giant, a prelude to 1,000 new beginnings. Well, wouldn't you know it, this man went and built himself a woodcutter right out of his own backyard. It took a bit of time to set up, but now it's as easy as pie to use and safe as houses too. I reckon he'll keep making it even better, and that's something to look forward to. Holy moly, that's like a scene straight out of an action movie. Those logs are giants, the river's a beast, and that truck's dancing on the edge. Those drivers must have nerves of steel and reflexes like lightning. It's terrifying and thrilling all at once, a real roller coaster of emotions. The video you are watching shows logging activities in Grand Rapids, Minnesota, USA. This is what I call teamwork. It's like a symphony of efficiency, with each person and machine playing their part perfectly. I'm getting inspired just watching this. Imagine what we could achieve if we brought this level of coordination to other industries. The possibilities are endless.
In the realm of agricultural machinery, the CLAS Cougar 1400 stands as a true behemoth, reigning supreme as the world's largest self-propelled mower. This awe-inspiring machine boasts an unparalleled cutting width of 14 meters, 46 feet, enabling it to devour vast fields of hay and silage crops with unmatched efficiency. The FEMAX stationary mixer is ideal for farms with 120 to 150 livestock. It prepares large feed quantities quickly, saving time and labor. Featuring 1, 2, or 3 special mixing augers with tungsten-coated long knives, it operates efficiently for extended periods without needing maintenance. As we move towards the future, robots are becoming indispensable in agriculture. The XAG-R150 unmanned ground robot designed for autonomous operation, this innovative machine is transforming farming practices by mowing, spraying, and transporting heavy loads. With a maximum load capacity of 200 oncorid, it's revolutionizing efficiency and productivity in the field. The John Deere 6230 tractor, renowned for its power and versatility, pairs seamlessly with the TU 220 EAM tunneler, carves a path of optimal growing conditions, ensuring your plants receive the nourishment and protection they need to thrive. Meet the Agbot 2.055 W3 by Whole Spraying System, the cutting-edge agricultural robot. With AI precision and autonomous navigation, it optimizes pesticide application for healthier crops and higher yields. Equipped with a 2,000-liter orchard sprayer and advanced features like PWM valves and electrical fan drive, it revolutionizes farming for efficiency and sustainability at 8 kilometers per H. Welcome to the future of agriculture. Step into the future of agriculture with Stoneless's innovative stone lifting machine. Designed for plot cleaning, this cutting-edge equipment effortlessly collects stones while being operated by a quadricycle. Powered by a robust 5.5 GP Honda engine and featuring an independent hydraulic system, it ensures efficient loading and unloading. Directly eliminating weeds and eggs with high temperatures, say goodbye to the threat of pesticides. In Rolling Oaks Farm's first hay harvest of the year, he skillfully maneuvers a John Deere 6400 tractor and 348 square baler. Watch as he expertly controls the equipment, effortlessly producing those perfect rectangular bales that you see flying into the cart. He and his John Deere duo are a true testament to quality farming. This machine makes harvesting vegetables quicker and more efficient than manual harvesting. The Krone Big Pack 1290 HDP de Coeur is an agricultural machine used for baling straw, hay, and other stem materials into high-density square bales. It produces sturdy, uniform bales that improve feed preservation. With a rapid baling rate of up to 12 bales per minute, this machine significantly boosts productivity. The New Holland T7 210 tractor features a turbocharged intercooled diesel engine with 6 cylinders and 24 valves producing 179 GP, 132 kilowatts. Equipped with Firestone tires, 540/65/30 in the front and 650/65/42 in the rear, this tractor delivers power and reliability for all your farming needs. Introducing the Fendt Ideal 10 combines with a max power of 790 GP and equipped with a new MAN 16.2-liter engine, it meets the European emission standard Stage 5. Featuring a new cleaning system in the dual helix separator, this powerhouse ensures top-notch throughput, superior grain quality, and minimal grain losses. This machine exhibits incredible flexibility in transporting bundled hay. This integrated machine makes planting crops easier and faster. Virgo 1, developed by Massachusetts-based startup Root AI, is an advanced robot designed to harvest tomatoes and other fruits using artificial intelligence. This innovative robot ensures efficient and precise picking at the optimal time for each fruit. Meet the Brillmeyer Motor Mower. With its impressive ability to mow up to 20 feet of grass and handle slopes with ease, it's anything but average. Whether you're tackling large fields or challenging terrain, this mower gets the job done efficiently and effectively. Upgrade your tea harvesting operation with an automatic tea harvester. These innovative machines quickly and precisely select only mature tea leaves, ensuring a high-quality harvest. The TerraTech Baby Leaf Harvester is ideal for daily harvesting of greens like lettuce and spinach. It features a 114 cm wide cutter bar, adjustable heights, and a 24V electric drive. It's ergonomic, easy to use, and can harvest a 60 rem strip in 12 minutes. The Drum Mulcher OD Pro X, a powerhouse for mulching and brush clearing tasks. Its precision and power make it the perfect solution for tackling overgrowth and invasive species, efficiently cutting back and processing unwanted vegetation. Cranberry harvesting offers a unique farming experience. Ever tried fresh cranberries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Automation doesn't replace humans. It empowers them to focus on more meaningful tasks, improving their work quality. The utilization of cutting-edge agricultural technology has revolutionized the apple harvesting process, enabling the efficient harvest of billions of apples each year. The FC13460 RA mower conditioner is a technological marvel in agriculture, boasting a wide 13.40 meter working width. Designed for optimal harvesting performance, it minimizes costs with its robust build and low maintenance. Its innovative belt grouper efficiently forms swaths, maximizing forage harvesting efficiency. With top-notch quality, it exemplifies KUHN's commitment to excellence. Swagbot, the latest livestock robot from Ovinity Robotics in California, USA, revolutionizes farming. It automates tasks like feeding and health monitoring, boosting efficiency by working non-stop and cutting labor costs. With its constant health monitoring, it detects illnesses early and treats them promptly. Swagbot also reduces environmental impact by minimizing feed and waste. Plus, it improves animal welfare through gentle interaction, reducing stress and enhancing well-being. Before, farmers had to manually harvest dry grass, a laborious task. Now, with the Abriata registered trademark M50 Mini Roto Mini Round Baler, they can effortlessly produce small cylindrical bales, making transport easier. This modern machine connects to small tractors and works well on steep slopes and narrow pathways. It offers options for net or twine binding and various hitching systems, revolutionizing the agricultural process. In a seamless fusion of efficiency, the logistics manager orchestrated a flawless operation, swiftly transporting tons of harvested goods directly from the fields, bypassing the need for storage warehouses. Thanks to the collared forehead leaf stripper, we can enjoy some fantastic apples from the Moissac region. The Chainless X2000 is a bale feeder manufactured by Hustler Equipment, a New Zealand-based company specializing in agricultural machinery. It is designed to efficiently distribute round bales of hay, silage, or other feedstuffs to livestock. The H27 Panther, a remote-controlled grass-cutting machine designed for extreme conditions. With its auto-leveling engine, 4x4 wheels, and forestry cutting deck, it ensures maximum speed and agility in any terrain. Powered by a Honda IGX V800 professional motor, this robot revolutionizes lawn care. Available for around $45,000, it's a game-changer in grass-cutting technology. Any New Zealand farmers reckon if you drive slow enough you can use is to dig underground cable the Comptech Top Turn X. Excels as a compact compost turner, blending robust performance with versatility. Its efficient turning and aeration process swiftly decomposes compost materials, aided by a powerful engine and reliable drive system, making it an ideal choice for smaller composting operations. Agricultural machinery is a game changer, helping humans tackle heavy tasks and cleaning jobs quickly and efficiently. The Timberjack walking forest machine, developed by Plustikoi in Finland in 1996, is a groundbreaking innovation now part of John Deere's Construction and Forestry Division. Designed for optimal stability and minimal terrain impact, it adapts to forest floors using 6 articulated legs. This versatile machine can navigate various terrains and obstacles, offering operators flexibility and efficiency in forestry operations. The Moorbark 3200 Wood Hog is a powerful industrial-grade grinder, efficiently transforming various materials into marketable products. With advanced features like a stream protection system, it ensures longevity and environmental responsibility. Renowned for its durability and reliability, supported by top-notch service, it's a trusted choice in the industry. Witnessing others' work can be enlightening, and these men realized the value of embracing technology. They eagerly started loading watermelons onto the conveyor belt with the help of a modern harvester. Without such advanced assistance, they would have endured much longer. Jack, a farmhand, relied on his Westermann radial basin R1000 to keep the livestock area clean. Its powerful brush swiftly cleared feed, saving time and effort. Versatile, it swept over various terrains, from concrete to grass. Maneuvering easily, it reached tight corners and slopes. Safety features protected both Jack and the animals, with guarded brushes and warning systems. With every sweep, Jack knew his job was done efficiently and safely. A machine makes livestock farming easier than ever before. This mini combine is like a tiny superhero for your rice paddies. It's small but mighty, capable of handling a variety of grains, including rice, wheat, and corn. And don't let its size fool you. This little machine is tough enough to tackle even the most challenging terrains, making it perfect for those pesky, hilly rice paddies. Harvesting apples is not just about picking fruit. It's an art that requires skill and precision. Farmers must know exactly when an apple is ripe for the picking, and they must be careful not to damage the delicate fruit as they harvest it. The Pluck O-Track Jr., a compact and agile harvesting solution for orchards. Designed for versatility, it covers distances from 8.3 to 15 feet and accommodates tree heights up to 13 feet. With its robust construction and ability to handle 4 to 6 harvest workers simultaneously, it ensures efficient fruit collection. Plus, with an optional box carrier, transporting up to 16 crates is a breeze. Harvesting just got smarter and more efficient with the Pluck O-Track Jr. The Terex PT 110 is a powerhouse designed to tackle any job. With its electronic turbo-powered Perkins Tier IVI diesel engine, it delivers 332 kilo-barrels of torque and 45 GPM of hydraulic flow, ensuring peak performance. Paired with the forestry feller buncher, it efficiently fells and piles full trees in bunches, replacing traditional lumberjack work. The Joskin Cobra 13,000 ES fertilizer spreader, priced at around $80,000. With a tank capacity of 13,100 liters, it efficiently distributes fertilizer over the designated area using a spraying mechanism. Its adjustable speed and fertilizer quantity ensure precise application, maximizing efficiency and yield. Compano, the revolutionary solution for deleafing tomato plants. With its advanced technology and patented end effector, Compano offers over 85% effectiveness, making it a game changer in the industry. Say goodbye to manual deleafing and hello to efficiency, with Compano working tirelessly 24/7 to optimize your tomato crop yield. Number 21, Liebherr R9352. The Liebherr R9350 is a powerhouse. With a Cummins QSK45 or QSK50 engine pushing 1,120 kilowatt at 1,800 RPM, and emissions compliance up to Tier 4 FEU Stage Phi. Its bucket can handle 18.70 cubic meters at 1.8 tons cubic meter, making it a top choice for heavy-duty mining operations. Number 22, TI Europe. The TI Europe is a giant on the seas. Formerly known as Hellespont Tara, this supertanker is now owned by Minsheng Chihao Shipping Leasing Co. Ltd. With its massive size and capacity, it truly stands out as the largest oil tanker in the world. Number 23, TCC 7800. The rail-mounted TCC 78000 heavy-duty crane has a maximum load capacity of 1,600 tons and can be moved with a load on a portal over 420 meters between the Liebherr MCC Tech Rostock GmbH factory premises and the adjacent quayside. The New Holland Broad 9090L is revolutionizing grape harvesting with its impressive efficiency. Harvesting over 217 tons of grapes in just 8 hours while maintaining minimal losses in fuel consumption is a game changer for vineyards everywhere. If you're a blueberry farmer, you need a New Holland blueberry harvester. It's the only way to get all those pesky berries off the bushes without breaking your back. Plus, it's a lot more fun than picking them by hand. The Yanmar 80W 6120 Combine Harvester, Yanmar's flagship in agriculture. Designed for robust power, high performance, and unmatched reliability, it meets diverse harvesting needs. Equipped with a 4-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine, 3.0-liter displacement, generating 70 horsepower, it ensures efficient operation across all terrains, delivering high harvest productivity. This tractor is like an Optimus Prime. The Beeman Green Cargo is a self-loading, self-propelled fertilizer spreader. Its innovative pipe design handles grass-containing fertilizers efficiently. With a 100 ton per hour capacity and dual distribution pipes, it's equipped with Joskin's Tornado 3 standard, featuring a 20 cubic meters loading area and hydraulically controlled vertical pumps. Its corner steering and controllable rear axle minimize field damage. Zocon Green Seeder, your ultimate solution for sowing catch crops quickly, efficiently, and affordably. With its high frame and ground clearance, adjustable spring pressure, and unique headland position, it ensures smooth operation and minimal crop damage. Built to last with 10mm thick weeding harrow tines and a galvanized frame, it offers durability and versatility with its modular construction. Meet the Grow Harvesting Robot, revolutionizing tomato harvesting with advanced technology. Its precision in identifying and picking ripe tomatoes ensures top quality harvests, maximizing efficiency and yield for growers. With dual arms for efficient picking and packaging, it's the future of tomato farming. At tree farms, they use this mesmerizing machine to wrap trees. The Plant Max by Plantma AB revolutionizes forestry with its ability to cultivate, compact, and plant seedlings in one pass. It can plant over 40 seedlings per minute under ideal conditions, and also collect and store operation data for optimal efficiency. The New Holland Pumpkin Harvester is a crucial link in the Halloween supply chain. BRAC T35B, a 3-row cultivator designed for professionals, optimizes manpower and machinery resources. Mounted on larger base machines, it efficiently handles substantial ground variations. With its disc trenching design, the BRAC T35B prioritizes high productivity for professional contractors, fitting diverse job site conditions. The EBTP VT470 Vario Transporter, equipped with a high-torque 100 kilowatts engine, meeting Euro 6E emission standards. Designed for diverse agricultural and municipal tasks year-round, the EB Vision Control offers easy operation of all functions, ensuring comfortable and environmentally friendly work. Coancock, the hydraulic rotary drilling rig with its retractable undercarriage and high-stability roller, is amazing. It's designed for deep drilling up to 60 m and handles diameters up to 2,000 mm. The Cummins engine not only provides powerful performance, but also complies with Euro 3 standards. Number 28, Keystrack 140, or... The i4E's reversible horizontal impact crusher is a beast. With a capacity of up to 250 tons per hour and a heavy-duty plate apron feeder, it's built for serious productivity. With 30%, 40% energy savings compared to cone and VSI crushers, it's both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Number 29, Cutter Soil Mix. In 2004, Bauer came up with the idea of combining the best of two techniques already used, the cutter wheels and the soil mixing principle. The cutter wheels of the trench cutter system used for making diaphragm walls have already proven themselves to be revolutionary. These cutter wheels are combined with the soil mixing principle in order to obtain the new innovative cutter soil mix, CSM, system. It consists of a cutter head with two cutter wheels. Number 30, BMM 300 brick making machine. The BMM 300 brick making machine is a powerhouse. Producing 12,000 bricks in just 1 hour is a major efficiency boost for any brick making factory. It's great to see a machine that can handle a variety of raw materials like clay, mud, and fly ash. Definitely a must-have for large-scale operations. Number 24, Class Lexion 780. The Class Lexion 780. TerraTrack is a true powerhouse with an impressive engine power of 460 kilowatt, ensuring robust performance and efficiency in the field. With a grain tank size of 13,500 liters, this combine harvester maximizes productivity by reducing the frequency of unloading, allowing for continuous harvesting even in large fields. Number 25, Damon-Track DT3500H. The Damon-Track DT3500H, featuring a 3-axle chassis with steerable first and third axles, dynamically adjusting to load conditions. It achieves speeds from 0 to 40 kilometers per h, optionally up to 50 kilometers per h, and can be controlled effortlessly via joystick or accelerator pedal. This self-propelled chassis accommodates interchangeable Profi-class sprayers or Gustro or fertilizer distributors, offering flexibility in agricultural applications. Equipped with a multifunctional 200-liter box and a tool compartment. Number 26, Komatsu HD 785. The Komatsu HD 785 has an empty weight of 70.4 tons and a loaded weight of 166.5 tons. This super hauler is typically used in coal mines, quarries, and large-scale construction sites such as hydroelectric dam projects. The truck stands 5.2 meters tall, nearly 6 meters wide, and over 11 meters long, making it comparable in height to a 2-story building. This massive truck, weighing over 100 tons, has wheels that are 2.7 meters tall, nearly twice the height of an average person. Lofness XLB10, the ultimate grain bag loader in North America. With enhanced capacity, effortless loading, and superior transport, it outperforms the competition. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA and supported by a robust dealer network. When it comes to preserving grain quality, the XLB10 is the clear choice. The Nexit pesticide sprayer boasting an impressive 56-meter length, 1,100 GP power, and a 17,000-liter capacity tank. Its large wheels leave distinct marks on the field, while the advanced misting system ensures even coverage. Nexat, renowned for its high-quality, high-pressure sprayers, is a trusted Italian brand in agriculture. Meet the Farm Droid FD20, revolutionizing farming. This cutting-edge field robot automates sowing and weeding, slashing costs for farmers and plant breeders. It's fully automatic, lightweight, and eco-friendly.
This short video is a stark testament to the power of technology, highlighting the gulf between traditional manual labor and the efficiency of modern machinery. However, the image of a muscular man drenched in sweat, struggling to fell a tree with only an axe is truly a powerful one. Do you think unloading timber is easy? You'll think again when you see this. These massive logs require a specialized forklift and a skilled operator to bring them down from the transport truck. It's not easy, folks. Everything is tense, and just a small mistake can lead to an accident at any time. All right, everyone, hands up if you've been scratching your heads about this machine. Well, I did some digging, and it turns out it's all about growing top-notch timber. You know, the kind that's perfect for fancy furniture? The secret is to get rid of those knotholes. So you prune the dead branches, and the tree grows wider instead of developing those imperfections. Pretty clever, huh? That's the whole purpose of this machine right here. Hey guys, have you seen this awesome gadget? It's the log hauler, and it's like a superhero for your ATV. It can move huge 20-inch logs with ease. It's super nimble, and it's budget-friendly too. If you got a small workshop or you're a wood enthusiast, you've got to check this out. So you're looking for a tractor that can do it all? Well, look no further than the HL21. It's compact, powerful, and versatile, perfect for any job on your list. And guess what? It gets even better. Team it up with the Woody H61 harvester head, and you've got a timber harvesting dream team. This combo is all about precision and flexibility, making your work easier and more efficient. You'll be saving time, energy, and getting the job done right, no matter the terrain. Sounds pretty good, right? It's a win-win.
This water sprinkler looks like a dancer gracefully moving. Rolling fields of lavender, bathed in the warm New Zealand sun, their purple blooms swaying gently in the breeze. And amidst this picturesque scene, a team of lavender farmers is hard at work with their hands. Checky and Mogley's Dual 12 Gold revolutionizes seedling transplanting. With one operator handling 2 rows, it's ideal for multiple crops like cabbage and lettuce. Its modular design adapts to plant 2, 4, or 6 rows effortlessly, ensuring precise planting and enhanced field efficiency. The AgroIntelli Roboti, powered by the N-Trip RTK network and equipped with the RoboVeg RV1, revolutionizes broccoli harvesting. Using an integrated vision system, it selectively picks broccoli meeting specific standards, achieving a remarkable rate of 2,400 heads per hour. The Stone Barrier G45HC pushes stones and materials up to 6 inches deep, leaving finely tilled soil on the surface. Perfect for agricultural use, it features a rear basket-style roller that evens out the soil, giving you a groomed, level finish ready for further work or driving. Wrapping round bales. With advanced control systems and user-friendly interface, it offers easy operation and customizable wrapping parameters. Equipped with a sturdy wrapping arm and tension film dispenser, it creates tightly wrapped bales, protecting them from external elements like weather and moisture. Tom, a farmer struggling to keep up with pest control on his vast land, invested in the Ultra Air Blast sprayer. Its precision and efficiency transformed his crops. With the sprayer's help, Tom's harvest flourished, and he reclaimed his peace of mind. The John Deere 2730. Combination ripper with 13 shanks spanning 26 feet wide, it operates at speeds of 5 to 7 miles per hour, reaching depths of up to 16 inches. The internal basket scraper ensures a uniform finish, even in wet conditions, while its integrated components offer maximum productivity and reduced operational costs. The new Dolby Hack 5000 self-propelled harvester boasts a modern design thanks to advanced manufacturing methods. Developers have enhanced its productivity, preventing soil contamination and streamlining logistics. Moreover, it stands out with the ability to bale up to 100 rolls, each weighing 475 kilograms daily. Its performance is undeniably impressive. At Schultenhab Nursery, Hengers Agro has introduced their new plowing machine. Utilizing the existing hydraulic folding frame, Hengers Agro collaborated to build a customized machine, providing individual parts. With 3 beds, each housing 3 rows, in a 50 centimeters row spacing, the machine incorporates basic elements with fixed knife holders and 340 mm spring-loaded finger weeders. Currently deployed in Christmas tree and conifer cultivation, it promises efficient field operations. I heard that thanks to this machine, this year's carrot harvest has been a great success. It's fantastic to see the machine still working so well. The Challenger MT 765C, a heavy-duty agricultural tractor by Agro Corporation in Fargo, North Dakota, USA, is tailored for large-scale farming. Priced at $242,898 and boasting 320 GP, 235 kilowatts, the La Sole drainage machine efficiently installs field drainage systems, draining up to 72 inches deep. It's compatible with laser GPS systems and attaches to the tractor's hydraulics. With a 4-bar parallel system for height control and adjustable slope control, it ensures precise drain placement. Frumaco Model OE4, a powerful agricultural machine designed for efficient tree harvesting. With its unique combination of vibration and collection functions, this machine ensures continuous harvesting without pauses. Equipped with a robust Deutz 4-cylinder diesel engine, delivering 55 kilowatts, 75 GP, it's ready to tackle the toughest harvesting tasks with ease.